Angels, what's up? It's your girl Alicia and I'm coming to you today with another video. In this video today, I'm actually going to be showing you two different hairstyles. I'm going to be showing you guys how you get your hair in this cute little bun right here. And I'm also going to be showing you guys how you get a nice little side ponytail. And it's very affordable. All you need is one pack of hair. So without further ado, let's just dive right into this video. Hey angels, so I'm starting off this video showing you guys the hair that I actually used to create this ponytail and this bun. It is Peruvian straight hair, and this hair actually comes with two pieces, like two bundles inside one pack. It is straight 16-inch hair, and it is by the company Seditty hair. Make sure you guys check down below in the description bar for all of the information. The hair is $40.98. Okay, angels, so first we're going to start this tutorial out using my Equal Styler gel, and I'm just going to be applying that all to the front of my hair, around the sides, like basically the whole entire perimeter. And I'm going to be brushing my hair up into a nice ponytail, you guys will see in a minute. And this Eagle Styler gel is making my hair curl up so much, but you want to try to get it as sleek as possible. And I didn't do this, but don't be afraid to put on a scarf because you want it to be like as flat as possible, since we are doing a straight ponytail. If you guys were doing a curly textured ponytail, then it's okay for your hair to be a little wavy, but right now we want it as sleek as possible. So I'm just going to pull this back into like a ponytail, and then you guys will see in a minute that I'm just going to pluck out my baby's hairs. Not pluck it, but brush my baby hairs down. Like, I'm not gonna fleek them out yet. I'm just gonna brush them down so that they are ready to go when I'm ready to fleek them. So then you just want to take your poof and you just want to twist it. So twist it all the way down to the end, like you see me doing here, and then you want to twist it around into a bun, and you want to make sure you get a scrunchie and you secure that bun. You want it as secure as possible. I know you guys probably hear my son in the background. Just ignore him, please, for the love of me. Okay, angels, so just take the first track and you want to stick a bobby pin right in the center of it. And then what you want to do is wrap that track around. And I'm getting it all tangled up here. But just wrap it around and keep going around and securing those bobby pins inside the hair. You want to keep wrapping it around and securing those bobby pins. It is very easy to do, angels. So just keep doing that. And like I said, this Seditty hair actually comes with two little bundles inside that one pack, which is really cool. So I'm going to wrap around that first bundle. And this is me showing you guys that that first bundle is on. And if you just wanted your ponytail like that, you could have kept it like that. But I want it to be fuller. So I'm like, okay, I'm just going to wrap this second bundle on, girl. So I just took it and started off with the edge of that track and just pinned it down to make sure it was secured. And then you're going to keep wrapping it around and securing it with the pins. It's very, very redundant. So this is actually what you guys see me doing here, just wrapping it around. This hair is very nice. It's very soft. It wasn't shedding or anything. And I think it was very affordable for one pack of hair. And you only need one pack to do this style. So now I'm showing you guys what the ponytail looks like from this point. Then what you want to do is take a piece of hair from underneath the bottom. And we're going to be wrapping this around. The reason I am doing this, angels, is because this is going to cover that track up. Just so you don't see the track right at the base. So you just stick a pin in it. And now we have to fleek out these edges. I'm going to be using my Got2b gel. I actually should have been using an edge control. My favorite edge control is by Design Essentials. But I'm trying to use this Got2b gel because it's like more stiff and it like holds the baby hairs in place. And as you guys can see, while I'm trying to fleek out my baby hairs is like, girl, stop playing, and they just curling up on me. So it's very important to use a nice, strong gel or edge control when you're doing your edges. And definitely don't forget to put a scarf on to secure those edges. So I'm just going to be doing my baby hairs as best as I possibly can. And I like to just pull it down and then swoop. Pull it down and swoop. That's like the technique that I use. And I am not the baby edges fleek master, so do not judge, ho. Don't judge. Okay? So I'm almost done fleeking out these edges, and you guys are going to see how cute this little side ponytail action came out. It's really, really cute and classic. You can do it for like a dressy little classy event, or you can do it just on some casual stuff. And let me know if you like it. Like, comment down below right now. Let me know, is the side ponytail popping? Okay, Angel, so now we're going to move into this side bun, and it's very easy. You just take the weave the way it is, and you want to twist it. You want to twist it, right? So as you're twisting it all the way down to the end, you want to get some little elastics, these small little rubber bands, and you just want to take one of them, and you want to put it on the edge of this ponytail. So after you secure the edge of that ponytail, what we're going to do is loosen that bun up at the tip. And we're going to start wrapping it around. And once you wrap it around, you just want to take some bobby pins and you want to just start securing that hair, girl, just so that ponytail don't fall. And that's pretty much it, angels. Now you got your little side bun. I like to leave it a little bit messy so it looks a little natural. And now you popping, girl. You popping. So I hope you guys really enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Go over and click that subscribe button, become one of my precious angels. Don't forget to comment down below and let me know which was your favorite style. Did you like the bun or did you like the side ponytail more? And that's pretty much the end of this video, but always remember this secret to success: put God first. Always be determined, and consistency is key. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, angels.